Good morning, everyone. Today, we all are going to learn about the second chapter of class 4th, that is, what computers can do. Today, computers can be seen everywhere and are used to do several kinds of jobs. Some of the functions and uses of computers are as follows. In office, storage of data. Computer can be used to store a large amount of data in their secondary memory. Any stored information can be retrieved very quickly. This is especially useful in the following. Banks use computer to store large amount of information. The ability of computers to perform calculations very fast is very useful in banks. Railways or airlines reservation officers uses computer to store information about various trains and flights, ticket bookings and seat reservation. To control application. Computer can be used to control several things. They can be fitted to room air conditioners to control the temperature of a room. They can be used to control traffic lights. In some modern cars, they are used to control the flow of petrol into the engine. They are used to control the flight of an aeroplane or a rocket. In education, computers are used in education in the following ways. Information can be presented in a more interesting way on a computer by combining text with sound and pictures. This makes learning more interesting. Computers can be used to demonstrate the tasks that are very difficult or impossible to show. For example, the movement of the earth and the moon can be shown on the screen. This can be used to study day and night phases on the moon and eclipse. Students and scientists rely on computer to do complex calculations and to solve complicated problems. In entertainment, computers are important source of entertainment. A large number of very interesting games can be played on a computer. The making of cartoon films has become much easier with the help of the computer. Earlier, artists had to make thousands of pictures by hand, even for a short cartoon film. These pictures can now be generated with the help of computers. Computers are used to give special effects in film. Today, a number of weird creatures you can see in cinema, such as dinosaurs, are made using computers. Special effects such as spaceship flying or fires, earthquakes, and floods are created in cinema using computers. In designing and printing, there are special software that help in designing books, clothes, buildings, and even automobiles. Different designs generated by the computers are seen on the screen. Changes in design can be carried out on the screen itself. Pages of books and magazine can be designed on the computers. The size and style of text on the page or position of illustration can be changed on the screen. This will take very long and will be tedious if done by an artist without a computer. The design of this book was also done on a computer. Clothes can be designed on the computer and tried out on a model on the screen itself. Alteration can be carried out on the screen to get the final design. In medicines, computers are used in various machines to diagnose diseases and to cure them. For example, with the help of computer controlled cameras, surgeons are able to reach the exact point inside the body of a patient where an operation need to be performed. In weather monitoring, Computers are widely used by weather department to predict weather, rainfall and monsoon pattern in the country. This involves very large number of calculation which is possible only on the computer. The study of earthquakes and the related calculations are also done on the computer. Other application in machines that test substance in lab, to operate robots, in machines that help people who cannot see or cannot walk. Thank you.